data and store it. First, the user is entering the data into the computer system. The computer, it will accepting. Okay, computer, it will accepting the data, whatever the data user is sending, the data the computer is accepting and do the processing, process the data and store it as per user requirements. What the user is want. Okay, for example, what we want the user, addition or multiplication or subtraction or division, whatever it may be, and provides us the required instructions as an output with high speed and accuracy. You don't get a confused, no? Computer is an electronic device or electronic machine. Why we are saying that electronic device? With the help of the power, the computer will work. Okay, a computer is an electronic device that enters the data. Data is nothing but raw facts, which does not have a perfect meaning. At the same time, it have a perfect meaning. Whatever the data I said in last lecture, data description as input. Okay, whatever the users. Okay, who is operating a computer? Users operating a computer has input, process the data and store it as per users requirements. Okay, what they want, and provides us the required instructions as output with high speed and accuracy. And here we are having the characteristics of computers. Here, what is the importance of computer? Why we are using the computer? Okay, what are the advantages of computers? Here, speed, accuracy, reliability, diligence, convenience, versatility, storage capacity, automation, flexibility. Here these are all characteristics of computers. Importance of computers, why we are going with the computer. Speed. Here, speed. Computer can carry out 3 to 4 million instructions per second. Okay. For example, I am saying to you, okay, 3 plus 4 how much? Then you have to take 1 second or 2 seconds to say the answer. Okay, 3 plus 4 how much? 2 plus 4 how much? 6. Here the computer is saying that answer in a 0.5 seconds. Computer can carry out 3 to 4 million instructions per second. Next one is accuracy. Accuracy means computer exhibits a very high degree of accuracy. Errors that may occur are usually due to the human errors. For sometimes humans can make mistakes, but computers cannot do any mistakes. Without mistakes, the computer will give to you results. Accuracy means computer exhibits a very high degree of accuracy. Very high degree of accuracy. Errors that may occur are usually due to human errors. Computers cannot do any mistakes. Without computer cannot do any errors. And reliability. Computer can carry out same type of work repeatedly without throwing up errors due to tiredness or boredom. Here, without a tiredness and boredom, computer can do same type of task repeatedly. Computer can carry out same type of work repeatedly without throwing up errors due to tiredness or boredom. And diligence. It is not lazy. Humans are sometimes lazy, but the computer, it will not lazy. And convenience, easy to use. Computer can easy to use with the help of the instructions, with the help of the programs. And versatility. Computer can carry out a wide range of work. Okay, for example, computer can carry out wide range of work means computer at the same time it will do documentations or calculations, database storage, data storage. Computer can carry out wide range of work. At that same time, you have to do any works, any task in that computer. For example, I am creating one document. Okay, I am preparing my resume or a biodata form in a Word document, and at the same time, I am opening the MS Excel worksheet. Okay, in Excel worksheet, marks details, one student marks details. At the same time, I will open a Google Chrome. I will search anything I don't know about that storage capacity, meaning or definition. I will search in that Google. Okay, clear? At the same time, computer can carry out a wide range of work. And last, storage capacity. Computers can store a very large amount of data. Computer can store a very large amount of data at fraction of cost of traditional storage of files. Here, in one pen drive, you have to store multiple data files. Okay, in one pen drive, you have to store that, able to store that in one pen drive, you have to store multiple data files. For example, in our college, college is having so many data files, so many applications like students details, faculty details, and group wise, department wise details. That all information are stored in one pen drive. Okay, one pen drive. In computers also you are having to store the data. Okay, you have to store your applications in a storage drives, C drive, D drive, E drive, or F drive. Here, for storage capacity, computers can store a very large amount of data. Here, data means whatever the information you are storing. Okay, you are entering into the computer. That information you call it as a data at a fraction of cost of traditional storage of files. And automation without human interaction. Okay, without human interaction, computer can carry. So next one, last one is flexibility. Changing of the software according to your requirement. How to change your software according to your requirement. Here, the software. For example, in one computer. Okay, in one computer, you are downloading the software. Windows 7, you have to change Windows 7 to Windows 10. Okay, Windows 10 to Windows 13 with the help of the according to your requirements. You have to change. The computer is a flexibility. Computer is having the flexibility, changing of the software according to your requirement. You have to understand this lecture. Today's lecture we have learned this what is a computer. Computer word is derived from the word compute. Compute means to calculate. Why we are